Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you simple and effective way to fix location and GPS issue on iOS 26. First, open the setting, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services. Make sure location services is turned on at the top. If this is turned off, GPS will not work at all. Still in location services, scroll down and tap the app that haven't issue like Map or Uber. Select while using the app or always make sure precise location is turned on. This improves accuracy, especially for navigation app. Now scroll all the way bottom and tap System Services, turn on location based alert, location based suggestion, system customization. This helps iOS use GPS more accurately. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, turn airplane mode on, wait for 15 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes GPS, cellular and network connection. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.